they really grind my gears. She told me that she didn't have to walk them through. And that's not the case. She's supposed to walk them through. That's not my job. That's not my job. And I don't want to do it.
You.
Look, you're not coming over here. You're not. Don't do Bentley, watch out. I gotta put my feet up. Hey, get out of here! No! Well, stop! Why do you want to fight? Why do you want to fight?
It's cute. Cute.